Hey guys, it's time for a bunch of great new gadgets you might be interested in. There's something you'll definitely want to get before your next camping trip, and something that'll make a fool out of a burglar. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. So, how long does it take you to charge your sneakers? No, we're not nuts. We've just found the sneakers that'll light up your every particular movement. Literally. It's just a transparent rubber and electroluminescent cord. Not a big deal. Coolest part is that you're free to customize it using the special app. There are several colors and light patterns to choose from. All you need to do is charge the sneakers with the magnetic charging cable for several hours and tap your smartphone several times. But it's not about the look only. These shoes add several points to your safety and let you stay visible during your night activities. As for the comfort, they're made out of breathable materials. And the outsole is shock resistant to any kind of loads. Last but not least, the sneakers are completely waterproof, so bad weather is not an issue. This buddy doesn't require any power source, yet it might be very helpful in some situations. Just pour some water on it and you'll see the emergency LEDs light up immediately. Add some water just once a day and you'll get 72 hours of continuous use. Also, this thing is really portable, and there's a bunch of additional mounting accessories you might get for it. And this model must be of great use even on a daily basis. Using a motion sensor, it's able to light up automatically whenever you enter the dark room. The coolest part is that you can switch between 3 different colors: white, blue, and mint. This gadget plugs right into your socket, but if the lights go out, it'll keep working for 4 hours straight. And on top of that, this thing will send instant notifications to your phone in case it detects any movement or power loss. Last but not least, the device is compatible with both Alexa and Google Home. Okay, can a sheet of corrugated cardboard bring a lot of fun when you have a Switch? This one can. Well, first you have to spend at least an hour snapping and folding the cardboard into a particular figure, but then you're free to play the accompanying game. Cool. So the kit comes with smaller figures you can use on a table, like a piano, a fishing rod, and a house. The bigger ones, like steering wheels, allow you to control 3 types of vehicles, but you can just crush the walls, if it's a wearable robot backpack and a suit. All the step-by-step instructions are given on your Switch, and when you finish your figure, you actually unlock a mini game. Now slide the Switch touchscreen into the designated slot in the cardboard, then slip in the Switch's 2 motion controllers into, let's say, the handle of the fishing rod, and off you go. You can easily customize your figure and invent new ways to play with it thanks to the garage mode. That's impressive. This cutie is more than just a pretty accessory. The secret is that it has 64 LEDs that you can easily customize, and you'll learn basic programming at the same time. Just install the app and connect the Charm to your smartphone. It's compatible with Android and iOS devices. Now you can create an endless number of designs using your own Python codes. Or try the ones you'll find on the app. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. The gadget is provided with a ton of learning content and interactive tutorials. You also can send your ideas to your friends and share them online, play games, and express yourself. Plus, this thing comes with a special string that lets you hang it on your jacket or backpack. The gadget is rechargeable, so you'll get over 6 hours of use on one charge. Who said that learning can't be fun? No one likes to be bitten, and it makes it even more annoying when the bite starts to itch and drive you mad. This mesh will protect you against the pesky insects and the sun while you're out and about. Consider this your go-to warm climate bubble that folds and pops open in seconds to slip easily over the upper body for fully enclosed cover. It's easy to adjust since you wear it like a backpack, and the waist strap keeps the mesh in place. Cinched armholes and zippered front make sure you're free to move. Run errands, commute, or work outside. Wherever you go, it'll be a breeze. Meet your new cardiologist. It's a groundbreaking gadget that provides you with instant medical-grade EKG right in your room or office. Just download the special app and put the device next to your phone. Sit down and relax, then press the record button and place your fingers on the electrodes. They will record your pulse, and you'll get the results in 30 seconds. The app will show whether your heart rhythm is okay. If not, this thing is able to detect AFib, tachycardia, and bradycardia. You can save all your results and even share them with your doctor with just the push of a button. This is the smallest EKG device you can actually find. Just attach it to the back of your phone and always have it at hand. Checking your heart health has never been that simple. There's no chance you won't like this cool water gun. Apart from being super lightweight and ergonomic, it's surprisingly powerful. It has a reach of 32 feet and fits 40 ounces of water. Imagine how much fun you're going to have with it. And it's made of top-quality, durable plastic, so it'll last forever. The design is very deceptive, which makes this thing perfect for pranks. Choose between 3 different color options. All of them look pretty cool. This gadget might be even more useful during emergencies. Now first, it'll light up your house using the built-in LED flashlight, and the red flashing beacon is especially helpful when calling for help. In addition, this thing acts as a weather radio, bringing you all the alerts during storms and hurricanes. Thanks to its large internal battery, this thing also doubles as a power bank for your phone or tablet so you could stay in touch. Even if the lights go out, you can charge up the gadget using either the solar power or the integrated hand crank. With this slightly upgraded version, you'll feel even more at ease. This one already includes a full-size ambient light along with the Bluetooth connectivity, and there's a headphone jack as well. Just listen to your favorite tunes until things settle down. Boost up your creative process with this innovative console. First things first, this thing is modular and extremely versatile. You're free to combine various magnetic modules, creating a perfect layout for your tasks, whether it's photo, video, or music editing. The most needed stuff consists of dials, sliders, and large essential keys. The powerful orbiter module allows 3-dimensional control, performing several different functions. You can actually assign any individual function for each module and button. There's a dedicated app for both Windows and Mac that lets you create custom profiles for all your favorite apps. Or you might simply use the pre-installed ones. All the modules look and feel really cool thanks to the all-metal design and integrated RGB lighting. This is the tool for pros. Making a lot of videos? This stylish mic must be of great use then. The coolest part is that it'll be hidden under your clothes. Your viewers will see a shiny badge instead. There's a small magnet that lets you fasten the mic in seconds. A wide range of badges allows you to choose any style you want. Most importantly, the magnet doesn't affect the sound quality at all. Speaking of that, the kit comes with 3 wind muffs, so the sound will be perfectly clear no matter the surroundings. In addition, you get a high-quality extension cable along with a 4-to-3 pin adapter and a carrying pouch. But if you don't feel like wearing a colorful badge, you might use the rotatable magnetic clip or the mic holder that goes under your shirt. There's even an invisible patch that you can attach to your skin. So many ways to make your vlogging experience better. This smart safe provides you with Fort Knox level of security, no matter how far you are from home. Aside from the regular PIN code, it uses a much more reliable fingerprint sensor. The safe is spacious enough for all your valuables, featuring an optional shelf and 2 USB ports to charge your devices. There's a whole tablet built into the door, a 10-inch touchscreen that clearly displays the essential info, and when you leave, the dedicated mobile app will notify you of any suspicious actions. Although you can grant access to 4 trusted people or share a temporary code with your guests. If someone moves the safe, it'll trigger the motion sensors. You can also set temperature and humidity alerts. In addition, you get a full HD live stream from 2 hidden cameras inside and outside the safe. The built-in microphone and speakers allow 2-way talking with everyone who opens the safe. If something goes wrong, you can always activate the lockdown mode and notify 911 right in the app. The safe plugs into a regular outlet via USB-C, and there's an integrated backup battery in case of a blackout. But honestly, the coolest part is this sleek design with customizable LED lighting. We've saved the most amusing part for the end, a bunch of really cool fidget toys. Don't think it's just another spinner. You haven't heard how clicky it is. You'll definitely enjoy spinning the gear slowly, step by step or click by click, and then switch to the outer ring that spins really fast and long. Now, this little toy is certainly inspired by some medieval armor. The blackened and beautifully polished zirconium ensures a premium look and feel. The surface is left slightly rough on purpose to highlight the complex craftsmanship. Once you slide this thing open a few times, you'll want to do it for hours on end. The shiny spinner must be no less addictive. The materials are high-end, and it's either stainless steel with nickel or pure copper. But the first thing you'll notice is the unique, stretchable mechanism. Thanks to the magnetic construction, the wings expand while spinning and then get back into place. Even the look of these toys is already satisfying.